Welcome to Bloomden. We are taking part in the Dental South China International Expo in Guangzhou. Here is our booth. In our company, the best selling model is 3D Pro. More than 90% of our clients have been choosing these products. Why is so popular? Not only because it weighs best translucency from 42 to 49%, but also because it weighs superior aging resistance. Even after 5 years using, the strength can still be keeping 800 maxipar. Our 3D Pro has been widely using in chairside for fast sintering. You see there? It can even be region 63 millis processing. My colleague will show more cases to you here.